A young lady wants to run this company? This isn't a fashion show.
My father built this company from nothing. I intend to
If
honor
she
that
becomes
legacy.
CEO, our hidden deals are finished. Then we make sure she fails. You're too young to run this company.
Then watch me. This company is my father's legacy, and I'm not giving
Everyone
it
in
away.
this building is smiling, but not everyone is on your side.
And why should I trust you?
Because I'm the only one warning you. Your father believed in you. What if everyone else is right? They're afraid of you because you're stronger than they expected. The people accusing Amara are the ones guilty of fraud.
The board is fired, effective immediately. It's unanimous, Amara stays as CEO. We did it! Record profit!
I'm sure you found these videos very interesting. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to create them. I'll teach you how to create monetizable Netflix AI videos for free. You don't have to pay for any subscription or credit. Now let's first get our prompt. Now open your ChatGPT. You can see this story idea I give ChatGPT. Create a short interesting movie about office drama. A lady fighting for her position in her father company. Okay, I just gave it an idea. I told ChatGPT how I want the lady in my story to be. She should be beautiful, 26 years old, Nigeria, beautiful, oval face, dark in complexion. I want her to be on braids, okay? So I gave ChatGPT the idea and ChatGPT arranged the whole story for me, as you can see. Look at ChatGPT gave me everything about the story. Now I also told ChatGPT to create an image prompt for each scene that it gave me, okay? So that I will be able to generate our image first before we generate our video. So immediately I told ChatGPT to generate image prompt for each of those dialogue scene. ChatGPT generated the image scene for me. As you can see, this is scene 1, the return. It gave me the image prompt. Scene 2, the secret plot. It gave me the image prompt. Scene 3, a new ally. It gave me the image prompt. Scene 4, betrayal image prompt. See, I have about 8 scenes here and ChatGPT gave me the image prompt for each. Now we're going to be going to the website we're going to be working with. The name of the website is Flow AI. So just go on your browser, type it, and it will show this interface. You're going to type on this first one, okay? Once you type it, it will open to this interface. Then as always, make sure you sign in with your email, okay? I'm already signed in. And I'll tap on this new project. It will open this interface for me, okay? Now, as you can see, they wrote, what do you want to create? First of all, let's create our image, okay? See this nano banana, you tap on it. There's image and there's video here, but we're going to be creating an image first. So you set your aspect ratio. I'm working with YouTube, so it's 16:9. And you see 1 times 2 times. That's if you want 1 image, 2 image, 3 image. 1 image is okay for me, so I tap on 1 image. Then you see the AI models, okay? Now you select the AI model you want to use. Now let's go back to our ChatGPT. We'll copy the image prompt for scene 1, okay? Once we have copied it, we'll go back to the website, okay? Then we'll paste the image prompt, okay? As you can see, very, very easy. Once you paste it, you're going to tap on this arrow here that I highlighted and immediately your image would start generating. It does not take time. As always, I just say once your network is good, your image would load. Look at this beautiful image it gave me, okay? You tap on it to open this interface. You see this arrow I highlighted, this arrow that is facing down. Once you tap on it, you're going to see 1K upgrade, 2K upgrade. Just tap on 2K upgrade. It will load like this as upgrading, then you see download. You download it and immediately to download into your file or your gallery, okay? Now let's go back and create another image. You see this nano banana, just tap on it, arrange your aspect ratio and how many images you want. We'll go back to our ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, okay? You see as I'm doing it, just make sure you follow this step and trust me, you'll be able to create a long AI movie. Now after I've copied the prompt, I'll paste it here, okay? Now I wrote create an image of this prompt, okay? I pasted the prompt I got from ChatGPT, and as always, I started generating to see. Well, as far as your network is good, trust me guys, you're not going to waste time. Once your image will just get generated, you tap on the image as always. Once you tap on this image, it will open this interface, okay? You see this arrow that is facing down, you tap on it, you tap on that 2K upgrade, it will load, you will see download, you download it into your phone. Now let's go to ChatGPT to copy another image prompt. So I'll teach you guys how to create another image again. So we'll copy the image prompt for scene 3, we'll go back to ChatGPT, we'll go back to the platform then we'll paste the prompt we got. Then tap on that white arrow to generate. Immediately your image would get generated. So this is how you are going to create the image of all the scenes. Okay, like I said before, ChatGPT created 8 scenes for me, for example. So if you have 8 scenes, 9 scenes, 5 scenes, this is how you are going to generate the image for all the scenes. Okay, see the image I generated. I generated a lot of image and I did not pay for any credit or any subscription, as you can see. Okay, now once your image is ready, the next thing you do is to create a video. You see that nano banana that we tapped before, we tap on it. Now you see video, we're going to be tapping on video because now we want to create our video. Okay, now you set your aspect ratio, we set it to 1 times because it's just one that we want. Then you set your duration, there's 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds. I'm okay with 8 seconds. Okay, once I tap on that 8 seconds, I will go back to my ChatGPT to copy the dialogue for scene 1 because we're going to be starting from scene 1 to create our video. Once I copy the scene, I will go back. I'm going to tap on plus. Then you see this place is to first load. If the image you want to use is not here, you tap on this arrow that is facing down. You see photo library and some other things. You will tap on where your image is. My own is in photo library. That was why I tap on photo library. I selected my image and immediately you see that it's loading. Once it's loaded, you would see the image here to appear, see it has appeared. Okay, then that's dialogue scene we copied from ChatGPT, you paste it here and immediately you press that white arrow and your video would start generating. Okay, it's not even take up to 1 minute. As long as you have a very good and strong network, your video is going to get generated fast. Now once our video gets generated, you can see my video is already generating here. I did not waste, and my network was very good, so it did not even take up to 1 minute at all. My video got generated. Once your video gets generated like this, you just tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, see, once you tap on it to load like this, then you see this arrow facing down. You will tap on it to download it into your phone. Now let's watch the video. You will see how beautiful, how clear the audio is. You see, just tap on it and to download into your phone. Now let's watch the video so that you guys
A
will
young
get
lady
what I'm
wants to
saying.
run this company? This isn't a fashion show.
My father built this company from nothing. I intend to honor
Let's
that
create
legacy.
another video so you can become a pro. Now you see that nano banana that we do, tap on it. You click on video. We're not doing images, video. Tap on video, select your aspect ratio, select your duration, then 1 times. Then you see this plus, you tap on it to select your image. If your image is not among this place, that arrow that is facing down, you tap on it, select your image from your gallery. Now once your image loads, you go back to ChatGPT and copy your scene. I just copied the dialogue for scene 2. When I copy it, I'll come back to this platform. My image has already loaded. I'll paste the dialogue for this image to generate the video. Then I'll tap that white arrow and immediately my video would start generating. Okay, you can see that the video is already generating. It will not take up to 1 minute. As long as your network is good, your video would get generated and you will see it's very beautiful video. The audio is clear. You will tap on it. You see this arrow facing down. You tap on that arrow and it will download immediately into your phone. Now let's watch this video. I already downloaded it into my phone. Let's watch it.
If she becomes CEO, our hidden deals are finished. Then we make sure she fails.
Isn't this lovely? Just click on that plus. Select your image. If it's not your, tap on this arrow facing down. Select your image from your library or your files, wherever your image is. Select it. Once you select your image, it will load. Once it loads, go back to ChatGPT, copy your dialogue scene. This is my dialogue for scene 2 or 3. Copy it. Once you copy it, go back to the platform. Your video is, if it's still loading, it will show there. Once it gets loaded, it will show you. See, it has already shown here. You paste the dialogue scene here, paste the prompt. Once you paste your prompt, you tap on that white arrow and immediately your video will start generating. It does not take up to 1 minute. Depending on how fast your network is, your video will get generated. You tap on the video, see this arrow facing down, tap on it to download the video into your phone. That is how you are going to generate the videos for all your scenes.
it away.
You're too young to run this company.
Then watch me. This company is my father's legacy, and I'm not giving
Everyone
it
in
away.
this building is smiling, but not everyone is on your side.
And why should I trust you?
Because I'm the only one warning you. Your father believed in you. What if everyone else is right? They're afraid of you because you're stronger than they expected. The people accusing Amara are the ones guilty of fraud.
The board is fired, effective immediately. It's unanimous. Amara stays as CEO. We did it! Record
Your
profit!
father left you a company,
And what did you leave me?
a partner.
Yes!
I was able to create all this video using this same tutorial, this same method I taught you. So just follow it step by step, and trust me, you'll be able to create more than 30 minutes Netflix standard AI videos. And guys, you'll be able to monetize it. Just make sure you watch it, pay attention, and trust me guys, you're going to be able to do better than this. Just go through my prompt, read it, go through my ideas, and generate yours. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment and I'll do well to answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I love you all. Thanks for watching to the end. Toodles.